Hi, I'm Rupal Jain. I'm founder of Bombay Island Coffee Company, and we are sitting here at our Roastery Cafe in Vikhroli. So Bombay Island, I started in 2018. I am not from this background. I am not from F&B. I am from finance background. But yes, I have a business background. My family is into business. So I had something in me that I wanted to start something of my own. I wanted to open a cafe. But then I was very well aware about the fact that every few months a cafe opens and shut down to the same place. And it was very scary. And not coming from this city, I am from Indore. It was very challenging to start something of your own, and that too an industry that is very challenging. So I started doing research on coffee first because I'm a coffee lover myself, and during travel abroad I realized that we don't find that good cup of coffee here in India. So maybe we should learn more about coffee, and from there I went on learning about coffee. I did a course on coffee by Coffee Board of India. Further, I came to know about coffee roasting and specialty coffee concept. And then I went to Singapore. I did a course on coffee roasting, and I learned a lot about specialty coffee. And then I opened up a small roastery in Malad, started supplying coffees to cafes initially, and then later we entered into cafes. When I started Roastery in 2018, back then there was no market developed about specialty coffee. It was developing. People were getting aware about what good cup of coffee is. It was very difficult to pitch to cafes why they should switch to a better cup of coffee because costing to us was very high. It is a specialty coffee, 100% Arabica, premium grade coffees. So they were not convinced that why should they buy at a premium price. But now it is not, because now they come to us. Now we have created that market. Now there is a developed market in the country. People know what a good cup of coffee is, and they want specialty coffee. They ask cafes about do they have specialty coffees at their cafes or not. So yes, not being from F&B background, it was a completely different thing because there are multiple segments that we have to be clear about, right from product development to interior designing of the cafe to branding, marketing, and then basic hygiene, quality, and the biggest challenge is human resource. But luckily, I got very lucky that people are with us from 7 years, 8 years. जब से हमने start किया है, तब से काफी लोग हमारे साथ अभी तक हैं. But then, yeah, human resource is the biggest challenge. So Bombay Island is a coffee-led, experience-driven brand. We provide specialty coffees. We roast our own coffees, and so because we roast our own coffees, we can focus on quality and consistency and freshness of coffee. Yeah, so that is what makes Bombay Island different from others. When we decide the menu at Bombay Island, we always focus on ingredients first because after having a baby, I realized that ingredient and quality is my priority. Whenever I go outside also, I always feel conscious what my baby is having. And I feel that whenever he comes down and he's picking up anything to eat, I should not be uncomfortable about it. So he should be like, he should pick up anything and eat it. This is what helped me in designing the menu because then quality is the focus, premium ingredients are the focus. Like we're designing a cake, so we have a gluten-free orange almond cake. So we don't put orange essence, instead we use fresh orange juice in it. And then we use almond flour and jowar flour to make the cake, and it is one of our best sellers. People also like it, I think. People also like clean food and premium food, and because they want to come here every day. And I think while designing the menu, I feel everyday comfort food is something which I want to create. So everyday food is something where people want quality also, and ingredients should be of good quality because then they cannot have that every day. So there are few items that people love here, like Bombay Island Grill Sandwich. It's a very simple sandwich created by me and very unique also, but very simple, and I don't know how, but it's the best seller. People love our avocado toast. We have got some good reviews and we can see that it's the best selling sandwich. There is a Mediterranean sandwich which people really like. And then there are desserts that we make in-house like orange almond cake and gluten-free hazelnut cake, our own tiramisu that is eggless, and our whole menu menu is eggless. So we don't have any eggs or any non-veg in our menu. Yeah, so we do have some signature beverages. We keep on trying something new. Every season we have seasonal menus and occasional menus. So we have Mobla, we have Dirty Matcha, we have Spice Latte. These are all our own creations that we keep on experimenting and bring something new for people. When it comes to hospitality, personally, I am also very warm, and I want my brand to reflect that. I want my brand to reflect that whenever guests come inside, they feel welcomed and they feel the warmth inside the cafe. In terms of, this is how we build the team, and this is what we guide them also. Every person should be smiling and welcoming. Whatever the problem comes, there are multiple problems and challenges we face in day-to-day in terms of people also, in managing guests who comes at our place, but then we have guided them well to how to deal with it, and they should not feel offended because there are certain issues that keeps on coming daily. For us, hospitality is like at the utmost level. When we opened the cafe, before that it was a complete different scenario because before that we just used to go to cafes and we used to go there and enjoy and don't think about it unless until something very negative happened. We don't, or very great happened, we don't keep on remembering it. But then after opening my own cafe, whenever I visit another cafe, I just keep on looking different things like yahan light kaisi hai, table kaisa hai, and different aspects of the cafe. So yeah, going to a different cafe is no more than work for me now. So we opened in Malad as a roastery, and then people started coming to a roastery and they thought that it's a cafe. We started giving them coffee for free because we already had a setup of a cafe, because we used to try coffees before supplying to cafes. So we had a coffee machine, a grinder and everything. Then people thought that it's a cafe, they started coming. We started serving them for free because maybe just try it out. And they were like, no, we want to come here every day because this is like we are getting a great cup of coffee which we cannot find it anywhere. Please start selling it. You have enough space, you can just put some tables and chairs here, and why don't you open a cafe? This is how we got an idea how a cafe works. We opened it for public for very few seats, like 10 seats we had in Malad. And all those Malad people are still with us. They come to Vikhroli this far because so Malad was a very small space. So when we shifted to Vikhroli, we shifted the roastery also here. So they still miss us. We get a lot of DMs and lot of messages from them that why don't you come back to Malad? So when we came to Vikhroli, Pirojsha Godrej, so we got an invite from Godrej themselves to open a roastery cafe here. And then here we created a community because we are inside a neighborhood, we are inside a society. People come every day. So every single day, right from, it's been 5 years to this cafe, I see some faces who have come more than me to this cafe. So yeah, we have built great relationships with people. Going forward, we want to grow Bombay Island in terms of coffee. We want to grow Bombay Island in cafes, but we want to not compromise on experience. So our focus will be on experience. So whenever we'll definitely a different concept, but same coffee, same product and same warmth will be there. I think for Bombay Island, soul of the cafe is freshly roasted coffee, which you can see here. Yeah, I think that's the soul of the cafe. Thank you so much, Indian Hospitality Magazine. And I would like to give a message to young generation who is going to enter into this industry. Do your research well, I think so. If your research is well, then I think you will just nail it.